Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel with me, Miftahul Jannah. Okay, now we are in front of the restaurant. The name is Kampong Stick. About the location at Karimata Street, number 37, Sumbersari, Jember, East Java. The location in front of a tax office or tax building. As you can see, there are kind of vehicles around the restaurant because the location is near from the highway. The restaurant is open from 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. Kampung Stick also has branch at Surabaya, Gresik, Sidoarjo, Bandung, Jakarta, and Pekanbaru. As you can see, the place is so crowded and the place is clean and comfortable. And you can choose indoor and outdoor place to eat your food. Here's the step or the procedure to ordering food at Kampung Stick. The first, you can take the menu book and a note to order, and then write your order menu on it. Then pay first to cashier. Then your order will be served at your table. Next, we can see the menu offered here. The price is worthy for you, and there are many discounts also, of course. There are kinds or variants of meat stick and rice on hot plates such as ayam geprek, ayam kari, and many more. The menu also offers snacks such as French fries, spicy wings at each other. And about the drinks, there are many kinds of fresh juice such as mango juice, milkshake with any kind of variants, all variants, and ice cream, and also mineral water, of course. The menu is also offered a hot beverage such as jahe serai, teh serai, and each other. Now we are ready to eat our food. I ordered chicken stick, kampung stick, and also milkshake. Well, the taste of chicken stick is delicious and it's well done meat. That's all for my video about Kampung Stick restaurant. See you on the next video and thank you.